So what's up my people, it's your boy Zubuking here once again with another video. So as you can see in Satoshi app, the latest announcement is that the 9.45 billion Cto airdrop is now live in this Satoshi app. So without wasting time or saying much, we are going to go ahead to enter this particular project. So how do you do it? Click on this particular project over here, and then you see it's available right now. People have started mining it already, and all you have to do is to click on it and then click on participate in airdrop. So it's very simple. As you can see, I'm now participated in it. So I'm now waiting for the next round of airdrop. Once the next round of airdrop continues, we are going to receive it. So while waiting for it, you actually know the things we are expecting in this particular project. So according to them, they say the starting time is July 11th 2024, which is right now. Today is July 11th and it's already started. Anytime is September. That means the airdrop is actually going to run for 2 months for us. So they say token ticker is CTO. Total airdrop amount is 9.45 billion Cto. That means we're actually going to accumulate a good amount of it, unlike Colend and OG that we mine 500,000 pieces. And again, as considered, it says vesting period is going to be 0 to 6 months with linear distribution, and it says the total amount of 945 million token will be unlocked after the airdrop ending. So the last but not least is that the project is already listed in Grips on Grips Exchange. For those interested, you can click there, explore it, blah 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 blah. So the whole thing is just telling us about this particular project and what we are going to see in 2 months coming about after the mining is done. So both the vesting and the already listed and every other thing. So the only good information there is that at least we know what we are actually expecting by the end of this airdrop, and that is one big reason you have to take it serious. So this is it. This video is not going to be long, so that everybody to go ahead and do what I just did in this my account. So if you have not downloaded Satoshi app, go ahead and download it. And again, don't forget that the wallet submission for Colend is going to end in 10 days coming. So if you have not done your own, go ahead and do it. With this I said, see you guys in my next video. Bye.